I just wanted to give you a very quick demo of this product, Mid-Year Madness. Firstly, before we get into actually walking you around the members area, I just wanted to give you a quick income proof just to show you that selling the particular products that we're giving you reseller rights for can produce you excellent earnings on Warrior Plus. So I'm going to head over to my own Warrior Plus account right now. Whoops. You can see this is my account there in the top right hand corner there. There's my name, Dawood Islam. So I'm just going to come actually out of this and go into my main dashboard, and there we are. You can see that the data's updating right now. And this is being recorded on, there it is, it's updated on the 17th of May, yeah, at the start of the day. And you can see that my income in the last 30 days on Warrior Plus has been $20,023.89. And as you'll see on the sales page, this has been, you know, continuing at this level for well over a year now. If you go underneath, you'll see I've just included a snapshot from like September last year, which I think is about sort of 6, 7, 8 months ago, just to give like a midpoint. And this has been achieved obviously by a combination obviously of affiliate marketing, but also selling the products that I'm giving you reseller rights to sell inside this model. Now you'll be getting 100% commissions on all of them except for the very top upsell, where there are things like launch partner programs and stuff like that, where obviously there are fixed costs for me, but all the regular parts of the funnel you'll be getting 100% commissions on. So pretty much exactly the same situation as me selling them myself. So now let's just head back into the members area. So what you will have here, obviously you've got an overview of Mid-Year Madness, which just give you an idea of exactly how the product works. And then in the main section, you've got an introduction to the training. Obviously, all the links to grab your 100% reseller rights. Then you can access the products yourself. Then you can use the resources that come with this to enable you to market and sell them, and some tips on how to promote. And that is pretty much it, folks. Your resources will be in here, your free squeeze pages. There's a conclusion video here. All your bonuses will be in this tab down here. And there's another opportunity to get any upgrades underneath that. So it's pretty straightforward members area, folks. Everything that you need is in here to build some huge paydays for yourself and to enjoy those 100% commissions. So I hope very much that you will jump into the members area, and we'll see you inside Mid-Year Madness.